Hi, I'm Juvie and I'm a surgical nurse from NUH. You've undergone an eye surgery and your doctor advised you to wear a transparent eye shield, especially at night. This eye shield will reduce the risk of injury to your operated eye from accidental rubbing or bumping. In this video, I will show you how to wear the eye shield in 6 simple steps. Step 1. Before wearing the eye shield, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water and dry them with a clean towel. Step 2. Make sure you have your eye shield and a roll of surgical tape with you. Step 3. Tear out 2 strips of tape, each about 15 cm long. Step 4. Place the eye shield on the table with the curved surface facing upwards. Stick the 2 strips of the tape along the length of the eye shield, following the curved shape. Step 5. Place the eye shield over your operated eye with the pointy area placed above the inner corner of your eyebrow. Step 6. Secure the eye shield by pressing the tapes against your forehead and cheek. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you. Bye!